Now you're out here in the middle of a blizzard, and what you don't know, you walk through these doors, and you have this. And it keeps on going. We've got puffers, we've got electric eels, we've got massive fish tanks, beautiful discus, stingrays. Got more big aquariums over there. 4,400 gallon aquarium. Got tropical fish out here, and then you walk through this door. And bam, you're out here with the big monster pond. Stingrays galore out here. They are all over the bottom. You've got large aquariums there. Over here you've got them beautiful sturgeon and goldfish. You've got native fish back there and koi. You've got bass tanks and frontosa. And not to mention the massive ponds that are out that door, which are covered over in snow right now.